You are watching Hooray Bollywood, presented by Rubicon Juices, exotic fruit drink, Shana Frozen Food, always fresh, Tango Kitchen for all your kitchen upgrades, and Apollo Convention Center.
सलाम, नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू हुर्रे बॉलीवुड। बॉलीवुड का नाम सुनते ही याद आते हैं फिल्मी डायलॉग्स और हर सिचुएशन को और भी खूबसूरत बनाते हुए फिल्मी गाने। और आज का ये शो है डेडिकेटेड टू द टॉप लिरिसिस्ट ऑफ द लास्ट 100 years। हाय, मैं हूँ अमीता और सितारों की झमकती गॉसिप, टॉप मूवीज और लोड्स ऑफ गपशप लाई हूँ मैं आज आपके लिए ऑन दिस मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग शो। And remember, I have a big surprise for you on Bol Bachchan. Madhuri Dixit is on a high these days with a successful stint as a judge on a dance show. ढेर सारी brand endorsements and of course some really interesting films to look out for. उनमें से एक है डेढ़ इश्किया, a sequel to the hit film इश्किया। शायद आपको याद होगा कि उस फिल्म में द डेम्योर साड़ी क्लैड विद्या बालन ने काफी कलरफुल लैंग्वेज यूज की थी। In the sequel, Madhuri plays the role of a begum in Lucknow, apparently insisted that she would not use any inappropriate language in the movie. Instead, वो तो उर्दू सीख रही हैं। फिल्म की दूसरी एक्ट्रेस है हुमा कुरैशी। सुना है that Matt does not want her younger co-star to outshine her in this department. Hence, the language training. Speaking of seasoned artists, brings me to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Known for his professionalism throughout his career, he has remained humble about his abilities. Let's hear what he had to say at the graduation ceremony of a batch of film students.
I was never as fortunate as Subhashji and some of the other contemporaries of his, whether it was Shatrughan Sinha or Jaya or so many others that had the opportunity to study film and film craft at the Film Institute. I never knew that there was an institute that the government was running in Pune. But I now even today wish that I had that opportunity to perhaps train to improve my craft.
हाँ बच्चन साहब, आप कहेंगे तो ये बात माननी तो पड़ेगी। Talking of schools, guess who visited his own alma mater? None other than Farhan Akhtar. Currently on a high with the success of Bhaag Milkha Bhaag, वो फिल्म को प्रमोट करने अपने स्कूल गए and he sure had some fun with the students.
I remember taking part in many dance contests, dance performances, personality contests, art contests, karate contests. Many contests happened right here.
The kids at the school were definitely thrilled to meet Farhan Akhtar, and I'm sure he has also not forgotten it either. In fact, भाग मिल्खा भाग ने तो बॉलीवुड में बायोपिक्स का ट्रेंड शुरू कर दिया है। Priyanka Chopra is playing the role of the famous boxer and Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali production. She has been training hard with international experts to prepare for the movie. Recently, वो मणिपुर गई to meet Mary Kom, जो उन्हें ले गई to places where she practices and spends time. Priyanka even met her coach and her family and danced with the locals in their traditional costume, fanak. I'm sure with so much research and mehnat, Priyanka is sure going to give Farhan a run for his money. Akshay Kumar is also eagerly waiting for the release of his movie Once Upon a Time in Mumbai again. At a recent event to promote the movie, when he was asked about whether he would cut down doing stunt scenes, here is what he had to say.
Stunts are lovely, enjoyable. I enjoy it. Yes, at the same time, I always tell in my programs or whenever I'm facing the camera, don't try to do it because I do it with a lot of practice, lot of safety. So I'm in front of you, still surviving.
He speaks like a real champion. Moving on, another star kid is getting ready to make his Bollywood debut. No, I'm not talking about Aditya Pancholi and Zarina Wahab's son, Suraj Pancholi. वो तो जिया खान सुसाइड केस में अभी भी कोर्ट कचहरी के चक्कर में फंसे हुए हैं. उनके फिल्म डेब्यू को टाइम लगेगा. I'm talking about Tanuj Virwani, son of yesteryear's actress Rati Agnihotri. Remember her from एक दूजे के लिए? So beta Tanuj will be making his debut in a film called Love You Sonio, opposite newcomer and ex-beauty queen Neha Hinge. Does mom Rati give him acting tips?
मेरी मम्मी ने एक्टिंग टिप्स तो देती है obviously, but उससे ज़्यादा she taught me a very important thing. She's like, ये इंडस्ट्री में हर फ्राइडे कोई नया बंदा आता है, कंपटीशन तो आती रहती है, हर एक फ्राइडे को आप यहाँ हो, नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को आप यहाँ हो, ऐसा ही चलता है. दैट्स द वे द इंडस्ट्री फंक्शंस. बट एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना कि नेवर लेट सक्सेस गो टू योर हेड और फेलियर टू योर हार्ट.
Pretty sound advice, I have to say. ये बॉलीवुड का बच्चा क्या गुल खिलाएगा ये तो बॉक्स ऑफिस ही बताएगा. अब एक नजर ऑन द मूवीज टू वॉच आउट फॉर. चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस. ये कहानी है बेस्ड ऑन अ 40-year-old बैचलर राहुल played by शाहरुख खान.
और नॉर्मली इस एज तक हर किसी की लाइफ में एक आधा बड़ा ट्विस्ट तो आ ही जाता है.
Finds himself taking a totally unexpected journey aboard the Chennai Express. Hilarious and high on energy, Chennai Express is an entertaining journey. I would say go for it. It's a must watch.
Get on the train, baby.
Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Again is a sequel to the 2010 film Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. This gripping film is a story of an underworld don, Trave, played by Akshay Kumar, who has killed his mentor to become the Mafia King. This film is full of crime, romance, revenge and drama. Coming up next are the top 3 songs of the week. Number 3 पर है खेले होली from the movie D-Day.
खेले दुख सुख आँख में चोरी मेरा मुर्शिद खेले होरी मेरा मुर्शिद खेले होरी.
Number 2 पर है Tayyab Ali from the movie Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Again.
क्यों होने ना दे बनने ना दे सलमा को दुल्हन तैयब अली प्यार का दुश्मन हाय हाय मेरे यार का दुश्मन हाय 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 हाय.
Number 1 पर है Alvida from the movie D-Day.
ना अधूरी ये कहानी ना अधूरा ये फसाना मर के भी ना हम कहेंगे अलविदा.
After this interesting roundup of top movies and songs, it's time for a short break. I'll be back to celebrate the glorious 100 years of Bollywood. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and come visit us on our website. And remember, now you can even write to me at amita@hurraybollywood.com. And I have a very big surprise for you on our Bol Bachan segment, so stay tuned.
You are watching Hooray Bollywood, presented by Rubicon Juices, exotic fruit drink, Shana Frozen Food, always fresh, Tango Kitchens for all your kitchen upgrades, and Apollo Convention Center.
The look of Shana Foods is changing. Introducing the fantastic look of paratha, a very pretty purple number. And the tasty Shana chapati, a classy light brown color. In stores now.
If you like the taste of the tropic, there's a new drink called Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic. The fruit mix is fantastic and the taste so terrific. Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic.
From the makers of Rubicon.
Hey, Mom, what? Oh, now this is something we can get.
Don't be fooled by fancy packaging. It's what's inside that counts. The all-natural yogurt by Hands Dairy. Think natural. Think Hands Dairy.
The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients, and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned the name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000.
Moments can change your life. They can make you nervous and bring out your passion. Moments can unite you. They make you laugh out loud or bring a tear to your eye. Moments are first imagined with every detail carefully planned and rehearsed in your mind. Moments can be perfect and moments can define who you are. They bring out the best of you and challenge you to be better. Moments are meant to be shared, cherished, and treasured. Raise your glass to turning a moment into an unforgettable memory. Apollo Convention Center. Book your event today. Call 905-670-8009 or visit apolloconventioncenter.com.
The Weekly Voice, Canadian leader in South Asian news. We cover the community here and across the world. 40,000 copies each week. 2 editions, Wednesday and Saturday. 4 sections, community, automotive, Bollywood and real estate. Stay up to date with what's happening here and back home. Plug into opportunities and trends that can change your life. The Weekly Voice, Canadian leader in South Asian news. Get your paper edition or read online at weeklyvoice.com.
You are watching Hooray Bollywood, presented by Rubicon Juices, exotic fruit drink, Shana Frozen Food, always fresh, Tango Kitchens for all your kitchen upgrades, and Apollo Convention Center.
जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम, दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। इस जिंदा दिल बॉलीवुड का राज छुपा है इंडस्ट्री के टैलेंटेड लिरिसिस्ट के बोलों में।
बुल्ले के पहला पहला प्यार भर के आंखों में कुमार, जादू नगरी से आया है कोई जादूगर।
Did you know इस गाने की प्लेबैक सिंगर शमशाद बेगम could sing in Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil and Punjabi languages. She sang over 6,000 songs during her illustrious career.
दुनिया है मेरे पीछे।
Born in Lahore on April 14, 1919, she started singing folk since she was 10 years old. 1937 तक वो बन चुकी थी an established singer on All India Radio Lahore, and then she stepped into Bollywood in 1943, where her melodious voice ruled the industry for decades. उस समय की सभी सुपरहिट फिल्में जैसे कि जमींदार, पूंजी, शमा, तकदीर, CID, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस 55 में उनके गाने मशहूर हो गए। मगर after her husband's accidental death in 1955, Begum stopped singing. Director Mehboob Khan की request पर she made a big comeback from Mother India, and the journey continued. Shamshad Begum passed away at the age of 94 on April 23, 2013. Hooray Bollywood salutes such great legends.
तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो।
Kaifi Azmi was one of India's finest Urdu poets and lyricists. उनका असली नाम था अतर हुसैन रिजवी। कैफी आज़मी ने अपनी पहली गजल इतना तो जिंदगी में किसी की खलल पड़े 11 साल की उम्र में लिखी। It was immortalized by Begum Akhtar and is even sung today. He joined the Communist Party at the age of 19, started writing for the party's paper Qaumi Jang and moved to Bombay. He wrote his first lyrics for the film Buzdil. उनके लिखे हुए गीत लोगों के दिलों में छा गए। वक्त ने किया क्या हसीन सितम, जो गुरुदत्त की फिल्म कागज के फूल से था, beautifully expresses the anguish of love and separation. चेतन आनंद की इंडो चाइना वॉर पर बेस्ड फिल्म हकीकत में भी उन्होंने एक बेहतरीन गाना लिखा।
कर चले हम पिता
कहा जाता है कि इस गाने को सुनकर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू की आंखों में भी आंसू आ गए। Apart from writing songs, he also wrote Chetan Anand's film Heer Ranjha entirely in verse and created history in dialogue writing.
बारात में हल्की सी झलक अपनी दिखा के छोड़ा मुझे इस हुस्न ने दीवाना बना के।
Recognized as one of the finest Urdu poets of our times, he was married to noted stage actress Shaukat Azmi and has 2 children, Shabana and Baba Azmi. This great lyricist closed his eyes on May 10, 2002 in his 80s.
देखे ज़माने की यारी बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी।
Let's take a look at the top lyricists of the last 100 years.
निशाना चूक न जाए जरा नजरों से कह दो भी।
Shakil Badayuni, an Urdu poet, lyricist and songwriter, Shakil Badayuni was born in Badayun, Uttar Pradesh. He received his education in Arabic, Urdu, Persian and Hindi languages and was inclined to शेर-o-शायरी.
तेरी महफिल में किस्मत आज़मा कर हम भी देखेंगे।
He started participating in मुशायरास। उन दिनों जब शायर लिखते थे सोशल इश्यूज पर, शकील सब्जेक्ट was on romance.
चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो मधुबन में।
1944 में he met director A.R. Kardar and composer Naushad in Bombay, who asked him to sum up his poetic skills in one line. और शकील ने जवाब दिया कहकर,
हम दर्द का अफसाना दुनिया को सुना देंगे।
So impressed was Naushad that he immediately signed him for Kardar's film Dard. And the songs of Dard became super hit. Shakil and Naushad became a hit lyricist-composer duo in the industry. Baiju Bawra, Mother India, Mughal-e-Azam and many more films for a period of over 20 years followed. But sadly, on 20 April 1970, he left the world forever at an early age. But the songs and ghazals he wrote live in our hearts forever. Shailendra. Shankar Das Kesri Lal, popularly known by his pen name Shailendra, was noted for his association with the filmmaker Raj Kapoor and composer Shankar Jaikishan. Raj Kapoor, Shailendra, Mukesh and Shankar Jaikishan ki team produced many hits. From the movie Avara was his first big hit song. Shailendra had a unique gift. He could conceive songs on the spur of the moment. Mud mud ke na dekh, mud mud ke. Of Shri 420 was born out of friendly banter when Jaikishan kept on looking back at a young, beautiful passerby. Ramaya Vastavaya from the same film was inspired by a folk song sung by some building workers in his neighborhood. Once after a tiff with Shankar Jaikishan, Shailendra wrote, छोटी सी ये दुनिया पहचाने रास्ते हैं,
कहीं तो मिलोगे, कभी तो मिलोगे.
that later became a hit song in Rangoli. He worked with almost all the composers of his time, but in the mid-1960s, he went through a personal and health crisis and passed away soon after. At the time, he was working with Raj Kapoor on his film Mera Naam Joker. Ironically, the best song of the movie was left incomplete by him and was finished by his son.
जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
Anand Bakshi was one of the greatest and most popular lyricists of his time. He worked actively for more than 40 years, who enjoyed such a long and illustrious career as a Bollywood lyricist. He got his big break in Mehndi Lagi Mere Haath and Jab Jab Phool Khile. However, it was only with the blockbuster Milan he was recognized as a lyricist par excellence.
अरे बाबा शोर नहीं, शोर शोर शोर.
A golden age followed for Bakshi, during which he wrote lyrics for box office hits like Amar Prem, Amar Akbar Antony, Ek Duje Ke Liye, Sholay, Hare Ram Hare Krishna, Bobby, Aradhana, Mohra, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Pardesh, Taal, Mohabbatein, Gadar, Yadein, यानी कि
किसी रोज तुमसे मुलाकात होगी.
कई खूबसूरत गानों के पीछे थे उनके बोल. He died on 30 March 2002, मगर हमेशा जिंदा रहेंगे उनके लाजवाब अल्फाज.
ये यादें किसी दिलो जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती.
दम दम दड़म दड़ैया रे, सबसे बड़े लड़ैया रे. Sampooran Singh Kalra, yani Gulzar. This live-wire lyricist started his career with directors Bimal Roy and Hrishikesh Mukherjee. He worked with music directors Sachin Dev Burman for the movie Bandhani, जहाँ पर गुलजार ने लिखा मोरा गोरा अंग लैले
मोहे श्याम रंग लैले
तेरे ये ही साथ.
कई म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स के साथ रहा उनका एसोसिएशन और आर.डी. बर्मन described him as the anchor in his life. आनंद, मेरे अपने, मौसम, रुदाली, माचिस, दिल से, इनके अल्फाज बन गए हिट फिल्म का फॉर्मूला. Besides Hindi and Urdu, he also writes in Braj Bhasha, Khari Boli, Haryanvi, and Marwari. He received the Padma Bhushan in 2004 and also won the Academy Award for Best Original Song for shared with A.R. Rahman for the film Slumdog Millionaire. गुलजार की कलम में आज भी वो जादू है जो सर चढ़कर बोलता है. A true genius.
मधम मधम तेरी गीली हंसी.
ये तो थी मेरी टॉप लिरिसिस्ट की लिस्ट और अब है टाइम फॉर आवर वेरी स्पेशल बो बच्चन. But today it's going to be something different.
You are watching Hooray Bollywood, presented by Rubicon Juices, exotic fruit drink, Shana Frozen Food, always fresh, Tango Kitchens for all your kitchen upgrades, and Apollo Convention Center.
The look of Shana Foods is changing. Introducing the fantastic look of paratha, a very pretty purple number. And the tasty Shana chapati, a classy light brown color. In stores now.
If you like the taste of the tropic, there's a new drink called Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic. The fruit mix is fantastic and the taste so terrific. Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic.
From the makers of Rubicon.
Hey Mom, what?
Oh, now this is something we can get.
Don't be fooled by fancy packaging. It's what's inside that counts. The all-natural yogurt by Hans Dairy. Think natural. Think Hans Dairy.
The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients, and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned the name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. Tango Kitchens, modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com.
Moments can change your life. They can make you nervous and bring out your passion. Moments can unite you. They make you laugh out loud or bring a tear to your eye. Moments are first imagined with every detail carefully planned and rehearsed in your mind. Moments can be perfect and moments can define who you are. They bring out the best of you and challenge you to be better. Moments are meant to be shared, cherished, and treasured. Raise your glass to turning a moment into an unforgettable memory. Apollo Convention Center. Book your event today. Call 905-670-8009 or visit apolloconventioncenter.com.
You are watching Hooray Bollywood, presented by Rubicon Juices, exotic fruit drink, Shana Frozen Food, always fresh, Tango Kitchens for all your kitchen upgrades, and Apollo Convention Center.
Surprise! Welcome to our Bo Bachchan segment. But today we are not live on location. Tonight I'll be playing the best of Bo Bachchan by all you fans of Hooray Bollywood. Take a look.
Who is your favorite Bollywood Khandan?
Salman Khan?
Oh, I don't think so. They can be Salman Khan. Salman Khan is Salman Khan. Dinka chika, dinka chika.
Wanna be my chamak chalo.
Of course, Kapoor family is the greatest family, I think.
I love Bachchans actually.
Who do you think is the most romantic couple in Bollywood?
I would say Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol.
Tujhe dekha to ye jana sanam.
Yaar hota hai.
I like Akshay Kumar with Katrina Kaif.
Sing is king.
Do you have any favorite dances from the movie?
Ranbir Kapoor is a good dancer.
It's Hrithik Roshan, my all-time favorite.
Johnny Walker is amazing. Whenever we see him on the screen, the moment people see him, they start laughing.
Govind, I like his stupid comedy that he does.
Any favorite period films of yours from Bollywood?
Ram or Sham.
Nice pick.
Lagan was nice. It's a representation of the remembrance of the old time.
Which is your bio-epic favorite movie from Bollywood?
So far it's been Pansing Toma because I've watched the whole movie.
There was one movie I seen, Dirty Picture, Silk Smith, just talking about rise and fall,
So what are your favorite spy Bollywood movies?
Jewel Thief, Devanandan with Jayantimala and Ashok Kumar. Hoto pe aisi baat mein daba ke chali aayi.
What is it about spy movies that brings people to watch them?
With suspense, you get interested, you wait to see what's going to happen.
I just love these Bollywood lovers, full of energy, enthusiasm and filmy-ish style. अगर आप भी होना चाहते हैं शामिल in this जश्न of glorious Bollywood, then don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter or on our website to check out where I'll be next week. And do write to me at amita@hooraybollywood.com and I might just invite you to the location to be on Hooray Bollywood. Till then, sayonara. This one, because there's so many, like, it had a unique situations ko mud ke mud and I'm just sorry, I'll just take a break because golden age, popularly.
Hooray Bollywood, presented by Rubicon Juices, exotic fruit drink, Shana Frozen Food, always fresh, Tango Kitchens for all your kitchen upgrades, and Apollo Convention Center.